Since you can no longer use Midjourney without a subscription plan, Leonardo.ai joins in at the right time. It offers a free AI art generator that sets itself apart from other free AI art tools available. To get started, all you need to do is visit the official website of Leonardo.ai and request early access through your email. Once your access has been granted, you can dive into creating astonishing art pieces. Leonardo.ai provides a community feed where you can explore and appreciate the artwork created by other users on the platform. On the free plan, you are provided with 150 points on a daily basis. These points allow you to access the platform's features and create artwork. Additionally, Leonardo.ai offers subscription plans that provide additional features for those who choose to upgrade. Unlike Midjourney, Leonardo.ai allows you to use almost every feature on the platform without paying a dime. You can freely explore and experiment with the diverse range of models available, each designed to serve a specific kind of artwork. With a user-friendly search bar, you can easily browse through the various artworks on the platform. Simply enter your preferences or specific designs you're interested in, and the search results will help you find what you're looking for. Your personal feed is where the designs you have created so far will appear. Here, you can keep track of your artistic journey and review your progress. For example, you can experiment with a picture of a snow leopard and see how the AI transforms it into a unique artwork. In addition to the featured models on the platform, Leonardo.ai allows you to create and train your own models. This feature is particularly beneficial if you haven't found a pre-available model that meets your needs. You can train your own model to generate specific kinds of outputs tailored to your artistic vision. Furthermore, the platform hosts a collection of trained models created and uploaded by users for anyone to use. This collaborative aspect allows you to browse through the available models and find one that catches your eye. You can explore the diverse range of styles and techniques shared by the community. I'll take a moment to browse through the collection of trained models and find one that looks cool. This way, I can demonstrate how easy it is to find inspiration and embark on creating stunning artwork using Leonardo.ai. This 3D travel character model right here looks great. It's fascinating to see how Leonardo.ai offers a wide range of models to choose from, each with its unique artistic style and capabilities. As you can see, I have already generated several artworks using different models on the platform. It's incredible how versatile Leonardo.ai is in executing prompts with various models, producing diverse and captivating results. One interesting feature to note is the ability to use negative prompts. By specifying words you don't want in your generated image, you can further refine and tailor the output to your liking. Let's put this feature to the test by changing the prompt from a snow leopard to a pit bull and see how the AI transforms the image. Alright, the result may not be as impressive as we expected. However, this is where the true power of Leonardo.ai shines. Let's try using the same prompt on another model to visualize the difference it can make. Boom. Now this is what we call impressive. The exact transformation we had hoped for. It's amazing to witness the distinct artistic interpretations each model brings to the table. How about we take it a step further and add some black shades to this character? To achieve that, we'll jump on the canvas and make the necessary edits. Leonardo.ai allows you to adjust the image and draw a mask on the specific area where you want to make changes. In this case, I'll cover the eyes to ensure the shades are placed correctly. Now, let's see the variations we have to choose from. The second one looks absolutely dope. It's incredible how a few simple adjustments can completely transform the artwork. This particular pit bull has now gone from a dog to a doggo with some added flair. Lastly, with just a click of the download button, you can claim this masterpiece as your own. Leonardo.ai provides an easy way to generate stunning images that can be used for various purposes, including creating eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube channel or even starting a thumbnail creation service. And there you have it, folks.